Hey guys, Arnold Twins Garage. I just wanted to make a quick update video and apologize for lacking on videos. It's been a while since I've uploaded. I'm working on a video right now as we speak that's going to be uploaded, but I've been having issues with my computer. I lost the charger, found the charger, and then I kept forgetting the computer at work, and then I ran out of memory, so I ended up restoring the computer to erase a bunch of stuff. So I'm going to start working on some videos, but I've gotten a lot done that I haven't filmed, unfortunately. I've been super busy, and with my computer issue, I just decided not to film. So there will be no tutorial video on how to do the cams and how to do the timing. Unfortunately, I'm really sorry, but my videos suck compared to some of the others out there anyways, so there's plenty of tutorial videos on all that. Anyways, I'm going to take you over to the engine, show you what I've gotten done so far, and then I'm going to come back and talk to you guys more about what we've gotten done with the parts car over at Andrews and what we've gotten done on the body. So, coming over here, as you can see, I got most of the engine put together. I've gotten the bottom cam gears torqued because I have the special tool for those ones, but I don't have the special tool for the top ones yet. It should be here within the next 2 days, so those ones will get torqued down, then I can put the covers on. By far the easiest engine to do timing. Everything's lined up. When the crank sprocket is lined up, the engine's not on TDC like most engines. The pistons are actually halfway on both sides, which allow more room for air on valves hitting things. So this side here moves freely. This side is spring loaded, so you gotta be a little bit more careful on this side. There's actually a tool you can get, I did not use, but that locks these in place, else they'll spring and spin, and it can cause damage if you're not careful. Luckily mine did not spin, but got the headers on, so pretty much I'm just waiting on fuel injectors, fuel rails, and then I'll put the intake on. Actually, once I get those, this engine will be completely assembled and finished, and then I can move over and start working on getting it installed. Over here in the car, Alex is supposed to come over next weekend to get the front welded on. I almost got the U-shaped subframe removed, and then I got to start removing the engine cradle here and whatnot. Coming back over here, you can see I got my new fuel pump. It's the Walbro 255. It's a good pump from what I've read online for E85. So that's gonna go back in the car. There's my old one down there. And those are the suspension that's on the car. I haven't quite decided if I'm going to continue to run those since I'm replacing everything else down there, or if I'm going to upgrade. We'll see. So now I just want to talk about what we got on the parts card finished. I'm going over there tonight, so I may get some footage. I'm not quite sure. Depends on if I remember. But we got the parts card cut up. We got like the roofs cut up. The rear quarters are in the process of being cut up, not quite. And then we're going to cut the car up in pieces. And then we're going to scrap it. But we got the whole entire rear end out, like the rear diff, subframe, all that. Got the front engine cradle, all that's out. Haven't got it here yet, it's still over at Andrews. The only thing still in the car is the transmission, but it's got just 2 bolts and the whole bracket will come out, and so that will be out. And then, so then I gotta start removing my stuff so I can put that into here. And then, so by the end of the week, that should be cut up and gone to the scrapyard. I'm keeping the rear quarters to use to patch the sides for this. And then the Mercedes-Benz project, I really want to focus on getting this, so I'm not even thinking about even starting that car yet, if at all. So the Jimmy, it's got a Chevy 350 in it. I was gonna pull that and use it, but I just don't have any room to store that engine right now, and it's a 200,000 mile engine, so I'm going to scrap that with the Jimmy. The Eagle is going with the Jimmy, and the Subaru parts car is going with the Jimmy to the scrapyard. And then I'm going to keep the wheels and tires off the Jimmy for my Jeep, because I'm going to be just putting a slight lift on the Jeep and throwing those wheels and tires on there. Anyway, sorry about the rambling and whatnot. It's just been a while since I made a video, so I'm just trying to get some updates out to you guys. Alex and I went and test drove a Subaru last week, a 2005 WRX. It had quite a few issues, leaking oil. Trans was acting really strange. So we ended up passing on that. We were supposed to look at another one, a 2007 WRX that is really clean and surprisingly cheap. So it's got higher miles, so that's probably why the guy's got it priced so cheap. But for how clean it is, I think he could get a lot more. But he's flaked on us twice now, so hopefully later this week we'll be able to meet with him and make a deal and get that here. We'll probably bring that here, get that in the first bay. Just I'm gonna run through it, check everything out, make sure everything's good before Alex takes that, and that's gonna be his new toy. But nothing's set in stone yet. Going to end this video. I know it's a very short video, but I just wanted to get some updates out there. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this short little update video, and I will definitely be getting some more videos out to you guys. I'm going to start making some videos again at least once a week, if not maybe a little bit more. So please comment, like, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.